Hello Kaboomers! Welcome to Knowledge Kaboom, where knowledge is explosive. Today our topic is how to make educational videos that stick. Are you looking to take your educational videos to the next level? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to make educational videos that stick with your viewers and leave a lasting impact. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Ring the notification bell to stay up on future content. Let's begin. The first step to creating memorable educational videos is to define your target audience. Understand their interests, learning styles, and preferences. This will help you tailor your content to their needs and ensure maximum engagement. Once you know your audience, it's time to focus on content creation. Start by outlining your video and organizing your information in a logical sequence. Use visuals, animations, and concise explanations to simplify complex concepts and captivate your viewers' attention. Next, let's talk about storytelling. Incorporating stories into your educational videos can make them more relatable and memorable. Use real-life examples, personal experiences, or analogies to connect with your audience on an emotional level. This will increase their understanding and retention of the material. Now, let's move on to visuals. A visually engaging video will help your audience retain information better. Use eye-catching graphics, charts, and diagrams to illustrate key points. Keep the design clean and avoid overwhelming the viewer with too much information at once. Moreover, strive for interactivity in your videos. Encourage your audience to participate by adding quizzes, polls, or interactive elements. This not only makes learning fun but also increases information retention. Lastly, don't forget about the power of a strong conclusion. Summarize the main takeaways and provide a call to action. Whether it's recommending further resources or inviting them to subscribe to your channel. Give your viewers a clear next step. Creating unforgettable educational videos is an art, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content.